recording now. If I can stop my recording, what do I do? What do I do? Please, God, please. Oh, good, finally. Right, well, I just want to move it here and done. Nope, it didn't done. Hey, so yeah, let's just start. Alright, let's go up, let's go up, let's go up. I'm Swiss soldier. Ah, nope, nope, it's not gonna work. Nah, it's not gonna work. Okay, good, good. Okay, I can do this, I can do this. Never mind, you have eliminator. Never mind, never mind. Just walk like that. Go up. And you have eliminator. Never mind. Just go, keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going. Keep going. And just keep going, bro. Sorry that I cannot make it full screen because my recorder is very bad. I'm playing with my my Swiss. Oh, their chat was going on. Their chat was going on. I'm sorry if my SL is not good. Alright, 1 down, 2 down. Please no cyberbully, okay? I'm not even though I'm a kid, please no cyberbully. Oh dude, oh thanks goodness. Alright, let's keep moving, let's keep moving. Oh thanks goodness. Wait, but I'm sorry, yeah, it's enough immunator, I forgot. And done, finished. That's it, finished. It's all finished. It's very easy. Thomas is very easy. What's up? Thomas is very easy. Thomas is very easy, right? Invite me. Oh wait, what do you mean? Be playing, be recording. Be recording. So guys, wanna play another match? It's only 2 minutes, so yeah, I can stay upload. Alright. Oh, dude, more bad. I don't think that I can make it, and I think it's gonna take so long. Just me to reach that part. No. I'm dead. No one can make it. Only someone who's legend can make it. I'm not a legend. I'm on it. Oh, thanks. Thanks. I can make it. Thanks. Wait, what? I forgot. Alright, so guys, I don't think I'm gonna make it 3 minutes. I don't think I'm gonna make it this time. I don't think I'm not gonna make it this time. Alright, my voice is very bad. Alright. One day person look at gravity, my guy. It's not trash, but yeah, it's hard for me, my guy. I'm not very good at all these. Why? Why this guy? RMP this guy. Why? Alright, one more jump. This is it. I don't know if I'm gonna rage quit or not. I don't think that I will make it to the top. I can only make 3-minute short videos. So yeah. No. Oh, I hate this. I don't think I'm gonna make it to the top. It's already 4 minutes. Yeah, it's gonna be very hard to edit. I have free trial to edit in this recorder. I have free trial. I have 30-day trial. I just buy the parts. So yeah, I have free trial. So yeah, guys. Maybe should I end it here? Because like it's already 4 minutes. I don't want to take it so long to upload. So yeah, let me just end this here.